And we are here for started August 1st, 2026. AAA, AA, high, single A, rookie ball scores. So here we go. So we have Jacks, Memphis, 8-center Jackson, Worcester, 4-3 Norfolk. We have a 4 Buffalo, Rochester, 3 Syracuse, 2-8-6 Columbus, 4-0 Charlotte, St. Paul, Scranton, 7-4 Iowa, Yep was 7-4 Louisville, Nashville, 6-0 Charlotte, Oklahoma City, 6-5 Las Vegas, Round Rock, 5-9 Reno in 11 innings, Charlotte, 8-7 Salt Lake, Albuquerque, 11-9 plus 1 innings, Sacramento, 7-2 Tacoma, and the makeup of a dry 5th game. And they scheduled that for August 1st. Oh, it was a Sunday game. They decided to put it on August. It was a game that was in Durham, North Carolina. And that was where it was played, the last series they played. And they played another series in Durham. And there was going to 8 runs, 1 hits. Durham with 2 hit shot and 2 errors. They had 2 errors, Durham did. Gwinnett with a run in the first, second run in the third, 4 in the fourth, 1 in the fifth, 1 in the 7th. And then Durham wins the non-makeup game, the regularly scheduled game for us for this case it was second, which usually, but typically, but if it's already scheduled in place, so yeah, from all in the future. The previous series, so that goes first. And Durham 4 runs and 6 hits. Went out with 2 runs and 6 hits in there. Durham with 2 in the 4th. Went out with 2 in the 5th. Durham with 2 in the 7th. And AA, we have Portland 7-4 Harrisburg, Akron 6-4 Red Sea 3-2 Columbus, Hartford 4-2 New Hampshire, Chesapeake 9-0 Tuna, Pensacola 3-2 Knoxville, Montgomery 17-8 Roxley, Richmond 10-8 Somerset, Chattanooga 4 Birmingham, Springfield 4-3 Wichita, Earnston 9-4 Midland, Minnesota 8-0 Tulsa, Corpus Christi 7-0 Frisco, Amarillo Falls 7-5 11, Newington 10-5 Rington 10 runs, so it's Ring 5 runs, 7 hits. Binghamton at 4 in the first, 1 in the first for Ring, and then 3 in the second for Binghamton, 1 in the second for Ring, 2 in the 5th for Ring, and then 2 in the 6th for Binghamton, 1 in the 6th for Ring, 1 in the 7th for Binghamton. In the second game, Ring 5 runs of hits, and Binghamton 4 runs and 6 hits. And Ring wins 5 for Binghamton, and that's the goal for Tuesday's game 28. And Ring 2 in the first, 3 in the third, 1 in the 6th for Binghamton, 3 in the 7th for Binghamton. And then high we have Hub C12 6 in a row. Completion of the July 31st game, Peoria wins 10-5 or 6. I said 10-5 in 10 innings. Peoria wins the completed game from July 31st. 6-5 for Syracuse in 10 innings. 11 innings, Frederick falls to Wilmington. Wilmington beats Frederick 4-3. And Sam 6-0 Brooklyn. Greenville 11-3 Rush. Greensboro 5-4 Bowling Green innings. South Bend 10 Wright County. In the 7-inning August game, Peoria 13-2 over Cedar Rapids. Peoria 1 in the first, 3 in the third. Cedar Rapids 1 in the fourth. Peoria 2 in the 5th, 2 in the 6th, 5 in the 7th. Cedar Rapids 1 in the 7th. Then Hillsboro 8-6 over Everett. Tracy 9-6 Eugene. Spokane 9 over Vancouver. And then Jersey Shore 2 runs and 4 hits. Let's say 3 hits, 2 errors, no runs. And then Jersey Shore 2 in the second. This is makeup game of Dry 28. It was Dry 28's makeup. And that is Wednesday's makeup. Jersey Shore 14 runs and 15 hits. That's a 6 runs and hits there. Jersey Shore 8 in the first, 5 in the third. And Hudson Bay 1 in the third, 2 in the fourth, 2 in the 6th, and 1 in the 7th for all teams. And in that game, Quad Cities still here. Quad Cities wins first game 10 runs and 30 hits, 4 runs, 8 hits, 3 years. Quad Cities with 2 in the first 4 innings each. And then 1 in the 5th, 1 in the 6th. With 2 in the 3rd and 4th innings each. And then the regulars in the makeup game of July 31st for Night's makeup. Quad Cities 7 runs, 8 hits, Dean with a run, 6 hits in there. Quad Cities with 4 runs in the first, 2 in the second. And then Dean with 1 in the fourth. Quad Cities with 1 in the 5th. Then Lansing follows Wisconsin in game 1 though there. Wisconsin 9 runs, 9 hits, 2 errors. Lansing 4 runs in the air. Wisconsin with a run in the first, 5 in the fifth, 3 in the sixth. And then Wisconsin second of those on 6 and 6 it's 2 errors. Lansing 4 in the hits and air. And then Wisconsin 4 in the first. Lansing 2 in the second, 2 in the fourth, and then Wisconsin 2 in the sixth. Let West Michigan rain make up on August 2nd. And it's not going to be played in the rest of the. It's not going to be played a non-Sunday game because that's the last game they can play. Or the last chance they can make up, So they want to make it up. Play every game they can. I don't have any games. I'm going to try one last time. I'm not realize. Then 6 things in range for game. Clearwater's 9 to Jupiter. Clearwater 4 in the first. Jupiter 2 in the first. Clearwater 1 in the second. 2 in the third. 2 in the sixth. It didn't matter because there's 5 innings. And Clearwater's up 7-2 and Windsor Jupiter. They counted it and they called it because Clearwater finished their top of the sixth. Fort Myers 8-0 Palm Beach. St. Lucie 6-0 Dunedin. Lakeland 2-0 Tampa. Tampa with 1 in the second, and then Lakeland with 1 in the seventh, 2 in the 8th. And then Daytona 8-2 Bradenton. Campus 8-5 Racine. Austin 3-0 Fredericksburg. Reach 8-6 Nether Trestle. Greece another Robert. Hills 8-10 Fayetteville. Fresno 15-4 Interior. Fredericksburg 9-6 Salesy. And then Pair 14-5 Rizzo. Stockton 7 Really Ozer. And Columbia West Rain make up August 2nd. And then Rocky Wall, we have the American Something. We have Rizzo 13-0 Stealing Andover. Braves 15-2 Fredericksburg. Angels 7-2 Phillies. Martins 4-0 Rangersburg. Red Sox Red 5-0 Red Sox Blue. And then Red Sox Blue beat Reds 10-2. Reds interest in 6 Rose back. They should utilize their first game Pirates, but 6 for Red Sox. And then we should have first game. Pirates, but 10-7 for Red Sox. And then 11-3 over Taylor. Twins 13-0 and my Yankees. Mariners 7-6 or Initials. And then Blue Jays Red 13-2 Red Sox. And 7 or 6 innings, I guess. It said 7, but just for 2 must have got an out recorded. And one out recorded in the 7th. And now the UT 7 runs, 8 runs, 4 hits in the air. And 3 in the second. And the 1 in the second for the Dodgers. And the 4th, 2 in the 5th, 3 in the 6th. For Ellie Batista. Carl 5 out for Rockies. And the 7th game. 6-9 Giants split. Schedule. And Giants split when 7-6 Giants. Schedule for 7, but went 9. Jays blue 4-3 Cubs green. Cubs blue 4-1 Rose. Cardinals 17-4 Rangers green. Orioles orange 3-2 Red Sox. LED Mega and 9-1 over Pirates. So, and then Equation for the 4th game. Astros blue wins 9 for Astros orange. And then Astros orange wins the 2nd game. 4-2 Astros blue. Arizona got 4-2 Arizona red. And 7 innings in range for game. Reds 13-2 Steely Gorilla. So it's 9 innings scheduled and I go 7. Scheduled for 7. Miami. Brewers scored 6-2 over Padres. And then the Glacier Dry 31st game. Tigers 2-13 over Miami. And then Tigers 2-7 4-3 Miami. And then Tampa 8-9 over Rays.